is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As I stated in my last video, if you didn't watch it, I highly advise you watch it, bro. The vibes lately have just been amazing. But in the last video, I talked about how we're gonna revive the Integra, and that's what we're gonna do today. But before we get into all that, the homies over at TouchUp Direct blessed your boy and his baby boo a little care package to fix up her rear bumper because that thing been beat. That probably gonna get demonetized. Without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get that touched up in the back and make it do what it do. But how is this Tamron 11 to 20 treating y'all? Like, how is this setup going? Like, the audio should be decent now. I'm still working on the audio settings, but that should be somewhat decent. The visuals should be beautiful with this 11 to 20. I got a little zoom action. Got a little zoom action. Ain't much, but it's a little zoom action. You feel me? So as you guys can see, baby girl's car been through some things, man. Her rear bumper been hit by a plethora of things, man. I don't even know at this point. But there's been a little instance where she has some paint chips or what have you. So we're gonna go ahead and touch these up today using none other than TouchUp Direct. What I have is a TouchUp Direct Platinum Kit. This kit includes masking tape, we have scratch and chip putty, we have a tack cloth, we have a microfiber, we have primer, we have base coat, we got clear coat, we got it all, baby. And they even include these sweet gloves, man, in case you don't want to mess up your cuticles and all that stuff. You got your gloves. TouchUp Direct uses OEM factory based colors, which means like when you have white orchid pearl like this, what you get from TouchUp Direct will be just that in a little brush, or it could be in a pen. The beautiful thing about the 21st century, we have choices. Step one, I'm just going ahead and spraying my Formula 88 to clean the surface with the microfiber given to us from TouchUp Direct. We're gonna go ahead and clean that up. Then from there, we're going to use a tack cloth and only use it in one direction so we don't bring back dust and dirt back over the exposed plastic due to baby girl just be running stuff over, bro. Girls think she's in the Kentucky Derby or something, man. She's crazy. She's crazy. Next up, we use our primer. So we're gonna go ahead and use the brush side of the primer to brush on the primer onto the material that we're doing, which is baby girl's bumper. And as you guys can see, just let the primer sit for each coat. 30 minutes wait time each coat. Total of 2 coats or 3, depending on your preference of how you want your job to come out, okay? And there it is, the rain. There goes the rain. Unfortunately, we won't be able to finish up the TouchUp Direct things until the rain passes over and I see how damaged it did to the paint that I just applied on it before it started raining. So, the results are in. Even though the install of the entire process of getting the TouchUp Direct to work, the results are in. It's like it never happened. It looks like nothing ever happened. I mean, there's little imperfections because obviously it needs to be sanded in the sense where like the bumper has stuff coming up. I should have like sanded it smooth and then TouchUp painted it. But other than that, this came out phenomenal. TouchUp Direct, thank you guys so much for just helping me out and getting baby girl's car back to looking decently good looking. If any of you guys are interested in TouchUp Directs and its products, I'll have a link down in the description box below with all the information you need. I try my best to look out for the homies, and you guys should know that. All the important information regarding TouchUp Direct is linked down in the description box below, so go check them out. It would do the world a favor, and your car. It's one of those things, man. It's one of those things, but the rain is not gonna stop us from production of today's video. So right now we have to head up to Akira to pick up a new battery for the Civic, because the Civic, whenever you want to start the car, it's like, it gives you like the battery's dying, like it goes then it finally start. Yeah, that's what's going on. So we're gonna head over to Akira, pick up a new battery. Just made it to Akira. Just kidding, I already picked up my brand new battery. Look at my battery, man. Me got the battery ready to go. Yeah, man. Look at the warranty today, 323, man. Bomba clock. Now that it stopped raining, I'm probably gonna stop by the junkyard. I'm just gonna full send and see if I can pick up a cow piece so I don't keep having rain go through my engine bay and rust up my coilover camber plates and things of that nature. I don't want that. That's just, you made it. The best yard known to man. Uncle Tony's, you pull it, baby. Y'all, hey, look, man, this is the place to be. We are at Uncle Tony's, the best damn yard. I will always preach about this yard. It's only 2 bones. And guess what? They got what you need, and they don't want what you need. Steal it. Huh? 116, 118.
You look cute.
Who?
You.
For real? Mm-hmm. Trying to hunch?
Yes.
So let's hopefully see if we can find what we need without using any tools. Holy shoot. I pray to God these people who's in this car is okay. The whole damn roof came off. I found one of the pieces that I needed. I just have to find, I'm gonna see if I can find a new one of these. I think one of mine is like collapsed, but that's 108, done. So now we gotta move up to, we can move up to 123, 118, and 116. I'm in luck. I'm in fucking luck. Dude, they have the whole unit. And it works. Wow. Okay, so they have this piece, which is what I need. Oh wait, that didn't even fit? That won't even fit. Alright, so now we gotta figure out how we're gonna get this one off. If I'm not mistaken, pick this up. Dude, this whole thing is in like unison. I might just take this whole thing and just paint it and put it on my car. I might take this whole damn thing. God is good, baby. God. This cowl looks mint. Just gotta clean it up. Hit it with some paint. And that's it. And I need to take these off. Cowl. Everything lines up, bolts right in. Mint. $7. $7 for this whole cowl. I'm gonna paint it, make it look nice and beautiful, and I scored it for $7. Gotta love Uncle Tony's. Now that we got the new battery in, when I go to start the car, it should sound healthy. Like, it shouldn't sound like it's trying to die. Perfect. Alright, let me go. I just had to check that out. That sounds great. It sounds perfect. Everything is good to go, dude. We are good to go. So back to the TouchUp Direct. I honestly just put another coat on it since now that it's sunny outside. I went ahead and, you know, started doing my coat. So I'm waiting in between coats right now. But the black stuff that was there, it's already gone. What rain guard gutter type thing did Babe hit? Who knows? I don't see anything. Do y'all see anything? Cause I don't see nothing. Alright, so to continuation with today's video, I was going to do the whole Integra front and revival thing, blah blah blah. There has been a change of plans. As you guys can see, the rear bumper is off the car, and that's because guess what we're doing today? Well, obviously you know, because you can read the title and you clicked on the video like, oh, what did Zosh get, bro? My main man Zosh got something probably cool. I did. I've been had it for a while, I just never knew how to install it, but we're gonna figure out how to do it in this video. As you guys can see, the rear bumper is naked, and I always wanted a diffuser for the car. So when I did buy the rear bumper, I also bought a rear diffuser with it. Now, I've had this diffuser since I've had the rear bumper, and I've just never put it on. So I think today we're gonna actually do the install of this Jay's Racing style diffuser. My whole car is a style of something, but it is what it is, right? So we're gonna go ahead and tack on the rear diffuser onto our bumper. Should be pretty simple. Just gotta line up everything, and you know, that's it. Should be simple though. It shouldn't be nothing too crazy to where it takes hell of a lot of things to do, but we should be good. As you guys can see, the Integra is out of the garage because I'm painting something inside the garage that I can't show you guys yet. Alright, you guys just have to wait. Just kidding. It's the rear roll bar. I'll probably add that footage in here in this video. I'm not sure, but I took out the roll bar in the Civic to paint it white because I just love the way the white just pops, man. The white just pops, and the black in here wasn't popping. So we're gonna go ahead and just take care of that with some paint. I'm in the clear coat stages right now, but yeah. All in all, let's focus more. Let's get this diffuser popped on. I basically just drilled one there, one there. I was gonna do this last night, but I was like, I'll make for a good YouTube video, because if you buy this from ABS Dynamics, which is where I bought this one, there's literally no instructions that come in how to install it, like how to do it. I guess you just have to use your brain, and I didn't use mine when I first got it. I'm like, how the hell you install this thing? But it's pretty much simple. You just line up everything, and then with the indent openings, you just drill a hole or just turn the bumper in the diffuser upside down and find all your holes. Like right there should be one, and then I gotta like maybe drill out these things just to find the bracket so I can bolt that up. But other than that, it's a pretty simple install. Just got one there, one there, one there. Just tighten it all down, and then make sure on the back side everything is flush fitted. But look at that so far, dude. This is gonna look so good, bro. So good. Alright, so I ran into my first issue. Real or not, bruh, you still gotta do something about the exhaust. So I'm guessing that it's hitting all of this. So I think what I'm gonna have to end up doing is shaving this down a bit. Probably just gonna use my cutoff wheel and then just cut that out, because I think that's what's causing it to hit. I can't really tell by doing it by myself, so I'm probably gonna ask my girlfriend for help. But dude, that's gonna look so good, bruh. I can't wait. Look how good this looks. Unfortunately, it doesn't work because, as you guys can see, my exhaust literally covers one of the little duct things. And I don't want to cut it because that'll just look stupid. I mean, I already like cut the hell out of it, but it'll just look so like, this is not it, brother. Damn, and I can't like bring the exhaust up or anything. The exhaust literally, it's like so high, bro. If the exhaust was lower, it'd clear. I mean, I could just cut this duct and then have the exhaust come out of that way. It's gonna look stupid, but that's literally like my only option if I want to run the diffuser. But dang, yo, I'm gonna make this work. It might look stupid without it though. Like, I don't know how. Damn, yo. I really want to keep this. I'm gonna see if somehow I can keep that and then just, I guess, have my exhaust hitting it. But then it'll just look weird. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what I can do. Bro, this thing looks this makes the rear look so aggressive, dude. That looks money bags. That looks money bags, yo. I should have done this literally months ago. But now, one thing I do have to figure out is what I'm gonna do about this exhaust. Because as you can see, oh, it's hitting this, which is causing it not to go more forward. Yeah, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do about the exhaust. I just need this to move over a little bit. If it moves over a little bit, we're money. So I'm gonna figure out what I can do. I'm gonna do something with the exhaust tomorrow. I'm gonna have more daylight. I'm gonna try to maybe figure out something. Maybe I can like unbolt it. I just need this exhaust to move over a little bit. don't know if I can do what I can do about the hanger. I'll take this off now before it stress cracks it and all that other stuff and molds to this position, because see, it's not flush like how it's supposed to be because the exhaust is literally hitting it. So I'm gonna take it off, but just for the sake of the video, look at that thing. Man, that looks good. Like, bruh, just look at that thing, dog. Just look how good that looks. I'm in awe. I'm in awe. Just a quick little update on the cage before I close out today's video. Oh, this right here ain't getting no, it didn't get no clear right there. Oh, I don't like that, but whatever. At least the bar here got clear, and that got clear. That feels good. Feels good. It just, I guess right here, it's like a little dull. I could spray some on it. Yes, right? I don't know if this is good to do, but oh well. Alright, so now that's gonna clear and sit overnight. That's it though. Paint it nicely white. Looks good, player. Looks good, man. But ladies and gentlemen, that is going to wrap it up for yet another Zosh video. I know, crowd goes boo. Boo, 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 boo. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video nonetheless. Integra content is on the way. I'm sorry. I know that a couple of y'all are looking forward to that. And I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah. Yeah. We got some Integra content on the way, man. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. Be sure to follow me on the Instagram for all cool stuff so I can look cool and you know, be rich and all that stuff. Because you're like, damn, Zosh has a lot of following. Let's pay him to like promote bug spray or something. Something like that. I don't know. But thank you guys for watching. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.